If you've ever wished you could copy an entire epic in Jira, attachments, subtasks, and all in just a few clicks, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone an epic in Jira, so you can save time and avoid the headache of setting everything up from scratch. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to duplicate your key project templates or tasks, turning what used to take hours into just seconds. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head to the list view inside your Jira space. Think of the list view like your command center. It gives you the clearest overview of all your issues, stories, tasks, and of course your epics. If you're not already there, you can usually find it on the left-hand menu. This view makes it so much easier to scan through and find exactly what you're looking for. Now, take a moment to find the epic you'd like to clone. The epic is essentially your umbrella ticket that groups related work together. Maybe you have a whole sprint plan you want to duplicate, or a robust project template that your team uses often. Once you locate the one you want, click to select it. You'll see the details on the right, which is a good time to double-check that you've got the correct epic. It's no fun to clone the wrong one and have to start over. With the epic selected, look for the three dots, Jira's famous More Actions menu, typically at the top right of your epic's details panel. Clicking this reveals additional options. Go ahead and click Clone. Sometimes this step takes a moment, as Jira prepares to duplicate everything for you, so don't worry if there's a slight pause. A cloning dialog will pop up, and this is where you customize your new epic. Start by editing the summary. The summary here acts like the headline for your epic. Give it a unique name, maybe indicating this is a duplicate or version 2, so that you and your team can distinguish it easily later on. Next, assign an assignee if you want the cloned epic to go straight to the right person. You can also set the reporter, which is helpful for tracking who initiated this new epic, kind of like putting your signature on the copy. Jira gives you a handy set of checkboxes in this window that let you choose whether to include attachments, child work items, and links. If your original epic had important files, documentation, or images, you'll probably want to include attachments. If the epic has subtasks, stories, or bugs under it, the child work items, you can clone those too, saving you loads of manual work. And don't forget about links. These maintain connections to other related issues or dependencies across your project. Take a moment here to consider what actually needs to be duplicated and what doesn't. Sometimes you need a clean slate, but other times pulling everything over saves precious time. Once everything looks right and the fields are filled in, go ahead and hit the clone button, and that's it. Jira will spin for a second, then create your new epic with all the items you selected, ready for you or your team to start working. You've just transformed a tedious manual process into a super streamlined one. If this walkthrough helped you save time in Jira today, do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you're finding these tutorials useful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions about cloning epics in Jira or want to share how you use this feature, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching and happy cloning.